In this video, I will show you how to edit music on Post. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, in 2025, Instagram still does not allow you to change or add music to a standard post or reel once it's live. So if you've already posted the post or reel, then it's gonna be impossible to add the music to it. But in the process of posting, you can definitely add music to it. Once you go to your profile, there's a plus sign at the far left of the top navigation. You click on the plus sign, you choose what you want to post, which is a post. Now we have a post, and what we can do is we can click on next. At the bottom of the post, you can see where it says audio. You click on audio, and here you can look for the music that you want to add. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's add this music, and then we're going to click on the arrow next to it. Now you realize once we click on the music here, we can trim the music to where we want to add to the record, add to the post. So if you want to if you want to have the ending part, you can listen to it and then trim where to add. And you click on done. When you're done, you click on next, and then you post. Now that is how to edit music on Post on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.